2010 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual front airbags, automatic stability control, keyless entry, child safety locks, power windows, power driver mirror, tilt steering wheel, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.